Welcome to Education Hub.
A. A is for Annie.
A. A is for Annie.
B. B is for Black Vulture.
B. B is for Black Vulture.
C. C is for Cuckoo.
C. C is for Cuckoo.
D. D is for Duck.
D. D is for Duck.
E. E is for Eagle.
E. E is for Eagle.
F. F is for Flamingo.
F. F is for Flamingo.
G. G is for Gull.
G. G is for Gull.
H. H is for Hen.
H. H is for Hen.
I. I is for Iceland Gull.
I. I is for Iceland Gull.
J. J is for James Flamingo.
J. J is for James Flamingo.
K. K is for Cuckoo.
K. K is for Cuckoo.
L. L is for Lake Duck.
L. L is for Lake Duck.
M. M is for Myna.
M. M is for Myna.
N. N is for Nightangle.
N. N is for Nightangle.
O. O is for Owl.
O. O is for Owl.
P. P is for Peacock.
P. P is for Peacock.
Q. Q is for Quail.
Q. Q is for quail.
R. R is for redpoll.
R. R is for redpoll.
S. S is for stork.
S. S is for stork.
T. T is for toucan.
T. T is for toucan.
U. U is for Ural Owl.
U. U is for Ural Owl.
V. V is for vulture.
V. V is for vulture.
W. W is for warbler.
W. W is for warbler.
X. X is for Xenops.
X. X is for Xenops.
Y. Y is for yellow warble.
Y. Y is for yellow warble.
Z. Z is for zebra finch.
Z. Z is for zebra finch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.